Are you lazy? But do you want a clean pool? I know, conundrum, right? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, you're gonna learn how to be lazy and clean. Yeah! Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and we're going to be looking at the Seagull 600 from Adron. The Seagull 600 is a robotic pool cleaner. So that's right, I know I mentioned in the beginning how to be lazy and have a clean pool. Have a robot do it, right? Alright, let's dive into the unboxing of the Seagull 600 and cover some of the specifications for you guys before you buy this sweet pool cleaner.
Okay, we have the cordless robotic pool cleaner, and it is the Seagull 600, and I'm excited. Let's get this out of the box. We'll need to take our handy dandy knife, do some tape cutting, and here we go. Around the top we have a card, some paperwork, and our flaps and all that good stuff. Then we have the robotic vacuum itself. Nothing else in that box. Oh, we have her upside down. We'll flip it over. Get it out of plastic. Now this is a hook that goes on the end of your pool cleaning rod that will come down and pick it up by the handle. That'll go in there. And then you can stick this in there with your pool rod and pull it out. We also have the charging cable. And of course here are your screws for the handle and the vacuum scrubbers for the very bottom of the vacuum. They go right here. And your power button is right here. These little clamps will take the top off, and we have a screen for filtering out trash. And here are where the jets are. Right here, and the motor will jet through there and run the floor of your pool on its own while cleaning. And that is what you get right out of the box. Let's get it on charge and do some pool cleaning.
It comes with wireless and safer cleaning. Say goodbye to wires, 100% cord-free design. No longer worry about cord entanglement and the risk of a power short out. It lasts up to 50 minutes, which is ideal for round above ground pools, up to 30 feet in diameter. And in-ground flat bottom pools, only one depth, up to 15 feet by 35 feet. And suction power. This thing has dual motors. Dual motors provide suction action and propel it forward at a speed of about 52.5 feet per minute. Our pool cleaner also features two independent scrapers that scrub the bottom of your pool. Besides picking up fine leaves, sand, dirt, and other debris, it removes grime and sediment so that you do not have to get in the water to clean it. It also comes with self-parking technology. It adopts self-parking smart technology, stops near the pool wall when the battery is too low or after completing a working cycle. This allows for easy and convenient retrieval. Simply use the included hook to lift it out of the water without getting yourself wet. This whole thing is designed around not swimming to clean your pool. Again, it's a robot. Easy to use and clean. It's lightweight at just 6.6 pounds, making it dead easy to operate and use. Just power the unit on, drop it in, and walk away. Adron will perform automatically and without supervision. When its work is finished, simply remove the cover and rinse the filter with a hose to clean it. So, what is Adron? It's basically the pioneer in cordless robotic pool vacuums. Adron adheres to use their expertise to provide pool owners with a hassle-free, smart, and simple pool cleaning solution. It comes with a 1-year warranty and worry-free customer service. Let your robot do the dirty work and get your weekends back. Overall, this thing is phenomenal. I mean, again, you don't have to get wet to clean your pool. You can be lazy and clean, which is very conflicting ideas, right? I know. Throw that Mountain Dew bottle away right now. Clean your desk. Aper, we want to give you a huge shout out. Thank you for sponsoring this video and sharing the Seagull 600 with us and allowing us to show our viewers. Let us know in the comments below no matter where you're watching, and don't forget to click the bell for notifications when you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next review.